Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make an Instagram page and earn money. First, select a clear niche for your content to attract a specific audience. Then, switch to a business account for access to analytics and professional tools. Craft an engaging bio that clearly states what you offer, and ensure your profile picture is high quality and recognizable. These initial steps are crucial for building a strong foundation. Once your page is set up, focus on creating compelling content. Consistently share high-quality photos and videos that resonate with your niche. Strategically use relevant hashtags to expand your reach beyond your current followers. Actively engage with your audience by responding to comments and direct messages, fostering a community. Don't forget to leverage stories and reels for dynamic content and broader exposure. To grow your audience, consider collaborating with other creators in your niche. This introduces your content to new potential followers. You can also run targeted Instagram ads to reach specific demographics interested in your content. Promote your Instagram page across your other social media platforms or website. Hosting engaging contests and giveaways is another effective way to attract new followers and boost interaction. Finally, let's talk about earning money. You can partner with brands for sponsored posts, where you promote their products or services to your audience. Another option is to sell your own products, like digital guides, or offer services directly through your page. Affiliate marketing, using unique links to earn a commission on sales, is also popular. Explore Instagram's native monetization features as they become available to creators.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.